Hi, welcome to the We Are Researching YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to share a video on TikTok app step by step. First, go to TikTok app on your phone. Tap on the plus icon marked with red at the bottom. To add video from your gallery, tap on the upload button at the bottom right. Pick a video you want to share and tap on it. You can cut any part of the video you want. You can add a text and you can change the font and size of text. You can add sticker by tapping on the icon. You can add an effect to the video by tapping on effect icon. Choose an effect from this list and hold down to it to apply the effect. If you want to undo the effect, tap on the undo icon at the bottom right. Beside that, you can use different effects such as motion, sticker, transition, and so on. After you finish the adjustments, tap on Save button. If you want to add filter for your video, tap on Filter icon. Here you can see the different filters. To apply the filter to your video, tap on the filter. You can adjust the filter's intensity. You can also add a voice effect by tapping on Voice Effects icon and you can choose any voice effects by tapping on it. There is a possibility that you can add your own voice by tapping on VoiceOver icon. To add your voice, tap or long press to record button. After you finish the adjustments, tap on Save button. Then tap on Next button. Before you share it, you can add a description by typing on a blank, then tap on Post button. Thus, the process of sharing a video on TikTok app has been completed. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment and click the bell for new videos.